everyone. I kind of wanted to give an update now that I went to see the osteoporosis specialist up at St. Luke's. I'm still waiting on some test results, but basically I've done a ton of research about it and just want to educate people on it because if I can stop it from happening with some women that are younger than me, that would be awesome. So women are much more prone to get it. In fact, they say over half of the women will have an osteoporosis fracture of some type at some point in their life. So your bones are naturally going to get more brittle once you turn 50. Actually, the decline starts for women after menopause. So for any women, I had a partial hysterectomy at a very early age and then didn't do hormone replacement. So I would encourage all younger women that if they go through menopause or if they do have a hysterectomy, to seriously consider hormone replacement because it will definitely strengthen your bones. Definitely have that conversation with your doctor. And then I would just encourage you to start being conscious of your calcium intake and your vitamin D intake from the time that you go through menopause and even before. I think even younger women should just be sure they're getting enough calcium. The best source of it is to get it from your food, which, you know, your greens are definitely some of your best, and then your dairy. I'm not eating any dairy, so and I know a lot of people are dairy intolerant. So I would just encourage people, because it's going to happen whether you want it to or not. That's one thing I've learned, is no matter how health conscious you are, it's just age is going to do it. So be conscious of your diet, of your, maybe even a supplement, even at a younger age, and just be healthy. I mean, some strength training is really good too. I'm trying to do strength training 3 to 4 times a week just to keep your bones strong. So please do it while you're younger so that you don't have to be faced with the challenges when you get older. Thank you.